friends, I'm Tishri from JIT'S Live, and today I'm here in an outdoor session. You must be wondering what I'm doing here, right? I'm not here alone. Along with me, I have bought my handy bag of tips and tricks just for you. Okay, in this handy bag of tips and tricks, I have lots and lots of tips and tricks only for you. The tip that I'm going to share with you all today is the usage of the word along with. The word along with is specially used when we want to say something about, like when it is stating something which we say at the same time or in company with. Okay, whenever we want to signify in company with something or something which is happening at the same time, then we use the word along with. Now let's try to understand this with an example. Suppose I say Eric along with Emily is going to the market. Okay, now here we can see that Eric at the same time is accompanying Emily, means they are doing the work at the same time and in company with one another. So hence we are using the word along with. I hope the usage of the word along with is clear to you all. But you know, there is a mistake which every people make. You say it's a common mistake made by all of them when we use the word along with. What is the common mistake? That is the usage of the verb. Okay, we have to keep in mind that the subject and the verb should agree with each other while the usage of the word along with. Okay, let me try to explain you the relation between the subject and the verb, or you can say the subject-verb agreement with the help of an example. Let me state that David, along with his wife and children, are going for a movie tonight. Now you can say me that David, his children, his wife, there are so many people and hence we consider it as a plural number, and so we are using are. Okay, if we are utilizing this concept, then it is absolutely a wrong concept. Okay, because you see the verb should agree with the subject, and which subject we have to consider? The one which is preceding the word along with. Okay, so we must keep in mind the subject verb agreement. Okay, the subject which is preceding the word along with, it should agree with the verb. Now if we use a singular subject preceding the word along with, then the verb use will also be singular, and if it's a plural, the verb will also be plural. Okay, so the example which I stated just a few minutes before was absolutely wrong. We cannot say in that manner. So the correct way will be David along with his wife and children is going for a movie tonight. Now you can question me, why have I used the verb form is? Because David is the subject which is preceding the word along with, and David is singular. So the verb form used is also singular, and that is. Okay friends, I hope that the usage of the word along with is clear to you all. And now let's try this with the help of an example. Okay, I'll give you a question, you have to try it by yourself. Okay, the example you can take as, okay, Steve along with his friends is or are. Okay, is / are. Steve along with his friends is / are playing cricket. This is an example and I give you 3 seconds to solve it. Okay, you have to underline or you have to identify the correct form of the verb. Okay, we will solve it together now. Okay, the question was Steve along with his friends is / are playing cricket. Okay, the correct answer is. Why is? Because the subject which is preceding the word along with is singular, and hence the form of the verb will also be singular. So the correct answer will be Steve along with his friends is playing cricket. So friends, this was a small tip from my handy bag of tips and tricks. For more tips and tricks, you have to wait for our next videos. We are also launching our English video classes, and for that you have to visit our website, which is blinking below. And yeah friends, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, because the updates on the videos will be available on this channel. So with this, I'd like to wind up today's session. Till then, take care and goodbye.